Guns with Pigs here. I was over trying to visit Shotgun Shanny, and guess what I found? Zombie pigs. Yeah, set up a little trap for them. I'm trying to convert them over to eating carrot and watermelon brains, but they're not having it. They want blood. Hey, zombie. Zombie? No blood over there. No blood over here, but there's some blood here. Some blood? You want some blood? You want some blood? Brains? Yeah, carrot brains. Yeah, that's a lot better than. Yeah, that's better than actual real brains. Yeah. Go ahead, get you some. Get you some. Yeah, so you can tell they're in their full stages of being a zombie, turning down carrots. Let me see. Watermelon? Watermelon brains? Watermelon brains. No, that's not doing it either. Shotgun Shanny, I don't know what to do. You guys gotta help me here. Alright, hold on. Maybe if I can put it over here. Yeah, carrots. Well, damn, how about a tangerine? You want a tangerine? No? I bet if I put a big old juicy steak, y'all nobble it down, wouldn't y'all? I got this one last chance I have. I have to get way deep in the forest here, behind Shotgun Shanny's futon. Uh-oh. What's that? This may be it. This may be what brings them back from the zombie world. Hey. Oh, look at them feast. There may be hope after all. This is Guns with Pigs saying Happy Halloween from me and all the pigs and the zombie pigs.